Easy guitar, finger picking style, pattern 14. Now today I'm going to create pattern 14, and then after that I'm going to formulate the F and the G pattern, the G pattern. So I'm going to create pattern 14, a 4-beat pattern for 4-beat song. So this is a C chord. As usual, I need to press the C chord to create the pattern, right? So I will create like this. I will press the C chord with my left hand, and then I create the pattern here. I'm going to create a 4-beat pattern based on the previous pattern, pattern 10. So pattern 10 is like this. Starting with the C chord on the 5th string. So C chord as a bass, and then I play the pattern 10. The pattern 10, see? Then I add another 2 beats. So it becomes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and means the extra beat. 8 half beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's the pattern, the C chord pattern. I play again. See? 8 half beat. 4 half beat. I'm sorry, 4 half beat. 4 beat but broken into 8. So it's like this. So that's the pattern. Now I show you the pattern I've created. The visual of the pattern I've created. Now this is the pattern I've created. Okay, this is the C chord pattern. C chord pattern, I play the C chord pattern following this. Following this visual. C is here, so I play. Look at the pattern now. I press the C chord first, and then play. Then that's the C chord, that's the pattern 14, huh? Pattern 14, I call it pattern 14. That's the pattern I created. And so after that, I documented it. I documented the pattern. This is the pattern I've documented. Similar, see? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? It's similar, but this is in square shape. This one is round. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's the C chord pattern. Now I need to formulate the F and G chord pattern. So I'll be using this pattern here, this pattern for the F and G chord pattern. This is a C chord pattern. So I need to formulate the F and G chord pattern so that I have 3 patterns to play to accompany any song. And that's what I'm going to do now. Now I've documented the C chord pattern in my phone. Now this is the pattern. That is a pattern 14, C chord pattern. I documented it in my phone, right? So now I'm going to formulate the F and G chord pattern. Now, this is the pattern I'm going to. This is the pattern I derived from the C chord pattern. Now this is the C chord pattern, so I duplicated this and put here. You look carefully, they are the same. Duplicated this, and after that I triplicated this, right? So the pattern will be played in the same manner. But because I want to form the F pattern, so I need to press the F chord like this to play the pattern. I press the F chord. Now this is the F chord I show you. This is the F chord pattern. So I press the F chord and then I play the pattern. Now this is the bass string, bass of the F chord. So I put the bass there. So I need to put the bass there so that I can formulate the F chord pattern. So this is the bass for the F chord pattern on the 4th string. And for the G chord pattern, I place it on the 6th string. So this is the pattern, I call it the F chord pattern, and this is a G chord pattern. So I formulated this pattern, F pattern, and then I formulated this pattern also. So I will be playing the 3 patterns to accompany any 4-beat song. Right? Now, although they look the same, the patterns are the same, but they do not sound the same because I'm pressing different chords. C chord, I'm pressing, I play like this. F chord, I play like this, and then I play from the 4th string. And for G chord, I press the F, the G bass, and then I play the pattern. And then I come back to C. So this is a chord progression, right? So I created this and then I formulated these two, based on this pattern. See? They are the same, the patterns are the same, but they do not sound the same. Why? Because I'm pressing different chords. Right? If I'm pressing the C chord, all of them will sound the same. But I'm not pressing the C chord, I'm pressing the F chord for this, and I'm pressing the G chord for this. Because I need to have 3 patterns to accompany any song. Right? At least 2 patterns. But it's best that we know 3 patterns, right? So I play the pattern again to show you the one I've created and then the one I formulated. So the C chord goes like this. The F chord runs like this. Sorry, once more. The G chord pattern. Come back to C. Now actually the pattern is very simple. We play down and then up and then down again. Actually, we play down and then we play up and down again. Now I play like this. You look at me. For the G chord. So I will start G chord. I press the G chord here. The bass. I play up again, up and then down. So I'm playing all above the sound hole here. Up, down first, and then up and down. But for documentation sake, I got to draw out like this. I got to place it like this so that you know the number of beats I'm playing. Actually, we play this down and then come up. See, this is up and then this down again. So, in actual fact, playing the guitar, for the C chord, we will be pressing the C chord and then we play down and up, then down again. For F chord, the same. Fourth string, but press the F chord, 4th string. Like that, right? Down, up, down, and then for the G chord, play like this. Come back to C, right? So we need to play above the sound hole. We don't have to move the hand up and down. For documentation, I got to do it, and for visual, I got to show you like this. So I hope you understand. This is pattern 14. And after this, we will use this pattern to play a song. Right? So we will go to the next tutorial. So thank you for following. I hope you understand. Excuse me, I need to explain a little bit. Now this is the F chord pattern and I formulated it like this. See? This is the formulation, C chord, F chord, and this is the G7 chord pattern. And I use this to teach my students, right? So I have three chords here, three patterns here. Three I created, F formulated, and G7 formulated. These three patterns will be used to accompany 4-beat song. So thank you again. Bye-bye.